The Elgato Facecam Mk.2 has just been released and it's a pretty big improvement on the original Facecam. Let's have a look. The Facecam Mk.2 still sports the Elgato Prime lens and a state-of-the-art Sony sensor. This allows for uncompressed video, better image quality, and a better low light performance. It still films at 60 frames per second in 2080p, and it still has a range of 30 to 110 centimeters, keeping you in focus at all times, and an 82-degree field of view, making the shot wide yet also personal. But where has the Facecam Mk.2 improved on its predecessor? The first noticeable difference is the new and sleek design that closely matches that of the Facecam Pro. The lens is noticeably lower on the camera, and it even has an inbuilt privacy shutter. Plus, the monitor mount sits lower and the Facecam sits flush against it too. Makes it easy to bring your camera to eye level. A nod to Elgato's new environmentally friendly packaging, made out of 60% repurposed plastic and keeping all the packaging plastic free. You love to see it. One of the key differences is the Facecam Mk.2's HDR, High Dynamic Range. The camera will take two images, one at a much lower exposure to capture highlights and one at a higher exposure to capture lower light detail. These images are then merged together to show video that is neither too dark or too bright, and every part of the image will have high detail. The Facecam can now also film at 120 frames per second at 720p to get some pretty cool slow motion shots. The Mk.2 supports PTZ, or pan, tilt, and zoom, giving you the ability to tweak your image in Camera Hub to get that perfect shot or create some dynamic scenes. The Mk.2 also has wide dynamic range, which means you can shift how the brightness is interpreted by the camera, also known as gamma curve, to give better overall detail in brighter settings. There are also 3 settings for noise reduction now: light, medium, and high. Definitely experiment with your settings and find the optimal one for your setup. The price point remains pretty much the same at $149 US and approximately 235 Australian dollars. This may vary in your region, so be sure to do your research. Overall, the Facecam Mk.2 is an instant step up from the original Facecam. It's improved on a lot of features while keeping a lot of the original charm. The sleek compact design paired with HDR video and more control in Camera Hub makes this a really great entry-level Facecam. Thanks to Elgato for sending this out to review.